Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Madhi English School. This is the class of Standard 1. We are going to learn mathematics. Let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. As you know more, you grow more. As you increase your knowledge, your wisdom, you can grow mentally well and more. So here we are going to start. Right now we are learning chapter number 1, which is numbers up to 50. Learning objectives for chapter number 1. Numbers up to 20 in the form of fill in the blanks. Numbers before, between and after. Comparing numbers, counting in tens, arrange the numbers. Now, as you all know that till now we have completed the fill in the blanks of numbers up to 20. Then we completed numbers before, between and after. In previous lecture, we have started the concept of comparing numbers, in which first of all we have completed how to find out smaller number, then how to find out smallest. Also we have completed the series of finding bigger and biggest number. So, is there anything else? Yes. Today we are going to learn something more about comparing numbers. Smaller and bigger numbers. Biggest and smallest number. We will make revision of previous lecture in which we learn about finding bigger number. So ring the bigger number. First we have number 3 and 6. So we can say that 6 is the bigger number. Then after we have number 8 and 10. Now see, there is number 10 is bigger number. So we have to make circle around it. Next we have 16 and 12. I repeat, we have number 16 and 12. So here 16 is the bigger number, so we have to make circle around it. Then we have 9 and 19. If you see, number 19 is the bigger number, so we have to make circle around it. Thirteen and 15. Number 13 and 15. Here number 15 is the bigger number, so we have to make circle around it. Then number 6 and 14 as well. So here number 14 is bigger number, so we have to make circle around it. Now see which is the next number, 18 and 19. So here number 19 is the bigger number, we have to make circle around it. Now see which is the next, 18 and 9. Here number 18 is the bigger number. Next we have number 17 and 12. Here number 17 is the bigger number. Then after we have 20 and 15. 20, 20, 15, 15. Number 20 is the bigger number. So this was the quick revision how to find out the bigger number. Now let's see how to find out the biggest number. Here we have 3 numbers. Among given 3 numbers, we have to find out the number which is biggest. So first we have 2, 6 and 4. After observing, we can say that 6 is the biggest. Next 10, 9 and 11. 11 is the biggest number. Afterwards there comes 12, 16 and 14. So we can say that 16 is the biggest number and we have to make circle around it. Next 17, 7 and 20. So we can say that 20 is the biggest number. We have to make circle around it. I hope you all are understanding the concept. Next 8, 12 and 18. Here number 18 is the biggest number. 5, 17 and 16 where 17 is the biggest. 15, 13 and 9 where 15 is the biggest. 11, 19 and 14 where 19 is the biggest number. So got it everyone? Here a very quick revision of previous lecture is going to be completed. Now see what's new. Something new in comparing numbers. Ring the smaller number for each. What's new here? Look at the example. There we have 3 number grids which are having 10 numbers in each. And more 10, 30. Then 2, 3, 2, 32. On the other side we can see 5 blocks. What does it says? A single digit number is smaller than a 2-digit number. So let's make practice. First of all, write number A, number 2 and number 10. Observe it and say which is the smaller number. As I have just explained that a single digit number is smaller than two digit number. So if we observe, number 2 is single digit number and it becomes smaller number. So we have to make circle around it. Everyone make a circle around number 2. Then number B. There is 26 and 4. We have two numbers here. 26 and 4. Observe it and tell me which is the smaller. Is it 26 or 4? Yes, 4 is the smaller number, so we have to make circle around it. Then after we have 8 and 48. Observe this carefully and tell me which is the smaller number. Is it 8 or 48? The number 8 becomes smaller as it is a single digit number among given pair of numbers. Number D, 38 and 3. 38 and 3. So, what do you say? Which is the smaller number? Yes, number 3. I hope you all have completed till now. Example number 2. Now if you observe, we have two pairs of numbers. First we have 3, 7, 37 and then 2, 4, 24. If you observe, we have 3 bunches of 10 blocks. Means 30 and 7 alone 37. 2 bunches which are having 10 blocks in it means 20. 4 less, 2, 4, 24. So here we have 2 numbers which are having 2 digits inside it. So how to find out the smaller number? Let us see. When both the numbers are 2 digit, compare the tens first. So here tens is 3. So first we have to find out which is smaller. So we can easily say that 2 is smaller than 3. So 24 is the smaller number. Write some number E. 2, 0, 20 and 3, 4, 34. Two, 0, 20 and 3, 4, 34. Now compare the tenses and tell me which is the smallest number. Yes, 20 is the smaller number. Number F. 4, 6, 46 and 2, 5, 25. So here 25 is the smaller number. Next we have G. 21 and 19. Now see which is the smaller number, 21 or 19. So it is number 19. Then we have 40 and 36. So which is the smaller number according to you? Is it 40 or 36? So 36 is the smaller number. I hope you all understand well and you all have completed. Move on to the next. Now we have 42 and 45. What does it says? If the tens place is the same, compare the ones. Here tens place are same. What is the tens place? It is 4 in both the sides. Both the tens are same. So what should we do now? We should compare the ones. So at ones place, in one number there is 2 and another number is having 5. So 2 is the smaller than 5. So 42 is the smaller number. Write down some number I, 38 and 30. So here both the ones place are same. Tens place are different. So write number 30 as smaller number. 30 is the smaller number. Make a circle around it. J. 47 and 41. 47 and 41. So here we can say that 41 is the smaller number. So we have to make circle around it. K. 29 and 26. 29 and 26. So here we can say that 26 is the smaller number. We have to make circle around it. L. 45 and 48. 45 and 48. So here number 45 is the smaller number. Make a circle around it. I hope you all have understood. Ring the smallest number. So 47, 27 and 11. Here number 11 is the smallest number. So we have to make circle around it. Then we have 23, 36 and 28 as well. Among these three numbers, we can say that 23 is the smallest number. So we have to make circle around it. Then after we have 37, 33 and 34 as well. Now if you observe, we can say that 33 is the smallest number, so we have to make circle around it. Afterwards we have 34, 19 and 44 as well. So here we can say that 19 is the smallest number and we have to make circle around it. Then we have 44, 37 and 31 as well. Now if you observe, we can say that 31 is the smallest one, we have to make circle around it. Afterwards we have 7, 35 and 40 as well. So here number 7 is the smallest one, make a circle around it. I hope you all are writing with me and you all have completed till now. Ring the bigger number for each. First we have 23 and 9. So we can say that 23 is the bigger number. Write down some number A, 18 and 8. 1, 8, 18 and 8. So if you compare, we can say that 18 is the bigger number. We have to make circle around it. Then we have 4 and 41. Observe it and tell me which is the bigger number. So it is number 4141. Make a circle around it. Number C, 7 and 26. Observe it carefully and tell me which is the bigger number. Yes, 26 is the bigger number. We have to make circle around it. Number D, 13 and 9. Here number 13 is the bigger number. Make a circle around it. Done everyone? Good. Example number 2, 46 and 23. When both the numbers are 2 digit, compare the tens place first. So 4 tens is bigger than 2 tens. So here we can say that 46 is the bigger number. Sum number E, 1 4 14 and 2 0 20. By observing this, we can say that 20 is the bigger number. We have to make circle around 8. Sum number F, 4 8 48 and 2 2 22. Observe it and tell me which is the bigger number. Yes, 48 is the bigger number. So let's make circle around it. Number G, 1 8 18 and 4 0 40. 1 8 18 and 4 0 40. So here number 40 is the bigger one. Let's make circle around it. Next we have 32 and 23 as well. So 32 is the bigger number. Make a circle around it. Ring the biggest number. Ring the biggest number. First we have 23, 32 and 37. Observe it carefully and tell me which is the biggest. We already have learned that how to find out the biggest number. So we can say that 37 is the biggest number. Then 18, 48 and 33 as well. Observe this and tell me which is the biggest number. Yes, 48 is the biggest number, so we have to make circle around it. Then we have 25, 49 and 29 as well. Next we have 25, 49 and 29. Now see which is the biggest number. Is it 25, 29 or 49? What do you say? 49 is the biggest number, so we have to make circle around it. Then we have number 11, 25 and 46. So first you all have to write down it. 11, 25 and 46. Observe it and tell me which is the biggest number. It is 46. So move on to the next. 20, 39 and 17. 20, 39 and 17. So here 39 is the biggest number. We have to make circle around it. Last we have 41, 45 and 43. So we can say that 45 is the biggest number. We have to make circle around it. So today we have completed the series of comparing numbers. You have to make practice regarding the same with the help of given notes. At your home everyone, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.